Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just thought of showing you guys how I do my hair removal routine, which is like doing the waxing and all that at home. And because you guys know that I am not a salon kind of a person, I don't visit salon often, and I thought of showing you guys how I do these things in my home. So that is why I have made this video, and I usually use a product called Veet. So I think hope you guys all know about the product, and this is for the half body wax strips. So I think this is for normal skin. You have different types of skin. If you're on sensitive or dry skin, you have a separate product for that. If it's possible, I just link that down below. So this is pre-coated wax strips and with two finishing wipes, so that you doesn't have to feel sticky on your skin. So I'll show you guys how I do this on a closer look, so that you guys can understand what I'm actually doing. Okay, so let's get into that. So this is the Veet hair and body wax. So this is a normal skin, which is for body and leg. So I'm using this for my hands. So let's just open this and see. So here we have to remove. In this, first you'll have the instruction cards where you will know like what is the steps and everything. That we'll see how it's done. And next we have the wax. So these are like, we have a 4 wax in this, and then we have 4 wax strips. Each can be turned into 2 wax strips each, so that's taken aside. And finally we have the finishing wipe, which is like a tissue that you can this is the tissue, and this I have already opened this up, and you'll see a tissue. This is for wiping up any extras that you have on your skin. So we'll keep this and we'll just show how this is done. Taking this wax strip, and then I'm gonna peel this into 2, something like this. So the wax is already pre-coated. I'll just keep this aside. Now my skin is all done. This is dried. You should not be using any oils, creams, anything before applying the wax. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place this. So just place this on my skin, and then I'm gonna quickly rub. So once I'm done with my rubbing, I'm gonna quickly pull this off quickly on the direction of my hair. So that's this. So this way you have to do it on each and every side of your skin until you are achieved with a smooth and hair-free hands. So I'm gonna continue the process. So I'm gonna place this again. You can use this several times until the wax is pretty. So then remove this. So this is completely plain free. So again, wherever you have the hair patches, go ahead with that, and then just do this. So you can see. You can see the hair patches are all in here. You can reuse until you see the wax is all in here. So once I'm complete with this, I'm gonna take the finishing wipe. And then just go ahead and clean. You will have the waxes that is on your skin. So this helps in avoiding the stickiness, and it moisturizes the skin. So the skin feels so smooth. This is how you have to do the wax. So this hair removal actually you can have this for 1 month, for 28 days. It actually stays on your skin and then it starts to grow as usual. So it doesn't have to worry if your skin or your hair will just turn into thick or something like that. It doesn't happen. So don't worry about that. It just stays for 1 month and then can use for again if you want. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and it really helps you a lot, I think, in saving your money and everything. I hope you guys, I'll see you guys on our next video, and bye, take care, see you.